Hey guys, we're going to do some implicit differentiation. It says find dy dx, and we have xy plus y equals x plus 7. First thing here, we have an x times a y. That means we need to use product rule. Anytime you're taking the derivative of two functions being multiplied by each other, you do the derivative of the first times the second plus the first times the derivative of the second. So we can do the same thing here. We're going to take the derivative of the first, and derivative of x is 1, and then we're just going to bring down the y, plus, and then we're just going to bring down the x, and the derivative of y is dy dx. And now we're done with this xy portion. Plus, and then the derivative of y is dy dx. And then the derivative of x is 1, and the derivative of 7 is 0. Now we want to get everything with the dy dx alone on the same side of the equation. We're going to subtract y from both sides. The left-hand side is just this, and the right-hand side is 1 minus y. Next, we're going to factor out that dy dx. Dy dx times what gives us x dy dx? Well, that's x. And then dy dx times what gives us dy dx? Well, that's plus 1. And let's bring down the 1 minus y. Now, since we want to get dy dx alone, we're just going to divide both sides by x plus 1. So the left-hand side is just dy dx, and the right-hand side is this right here. And we have now found dy dx.